Hi guys, today we are going to talk about finding common denominators. So we know the word common means the same, and denominator is the bottom half of a fraction. So if I were to take a look at these two fractions, right now our denominators are 8 and 4, which means that I could not add or subtract these fractions as they are. It would be like adding apples plus bananas. They're two separate things. So in order to add them or subtract them, I need to make sure they have a common or same denominator. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to think about our multiples of each of our denominators. So if I count by 8, I would say 8, 16, 24, etc. If I were to count by 4, I would say 4, 8, 12, 16, etc. And I'm looking for one that is common or the same. So you will see that we actually have 8 as a common multiple, and we have 16 as a common multiple. If I were to keep counting, 24 would be a common multiple. So to find a common denominator, the easiest thing to do is to take the least common multiple, which in this case is 8. So I'm going to change both of these fractions to have a denominator of 8. Now, the good news is that this fraction, 7/8, already has a denominator of 8. So I don't have to do anything to it because 8 times 1 would give me 8. So I'm going to multiply by 1 because whatever I do on the numerator, I have to do in the denominator. So this is just going to stay 7/8. And now I'm going to make 1/4 into 8ths. So I'm going to think about how do I jump from fourths to eighths? Well, I know that 4 times 2 will give me 8. Now, in order to keep the ratio or the proportion of the fraction the same, whatever I do to the numerator, I have to do to the denominator. So whatever I do to the denominator, I have to do to the numerator. So now 1 times 2 will give me 2. So 7/8 and 1/4, written as a pair of fractions with a common denominator, are 7/8 and 2/8. And now if I wanted to go ahead and add them up or subtract them, no problem.